Hello, friends! You only saw the perfect final story, but honestly, while building Eureka Village, our system went a little crazy more times than I can count. Today, I'm going to show you the secret bloopers I've been hiding. Have you ever seen birds flying backwards? Dancing houses, dancing trees. Huh? Where's the bell? Oh no, where are the rest of my teeth? Let's dance! Let's dance! Let's jump around and dance! Let's dance! Let's dance! So you see, no matter how advanced technology gets, mistakes still happen. But we never give up trying to get it right. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.